Welcome back, everyone. I'm Big Jim. Welcome to Big Jim's Kitchen. This channel is dedicated to showing you how to cook different recipes I've learned to make throughout the years. Some easy, some not so easy, some healthy, some not so healthy. Today's recipe, if you haven't already read or seen the thumbnail, we are going to be making some slow roasted lamb, and that is the oven preheating itself to 300 degrees, so go ahead and knock that out right now. Now, before I get into the ingredients, this one's gonna be super easy. Let's get cooking. For today's ingredients, you're going to need, obviously, leg of lamb. This one's gonna be boneless. You're gonna want some full garlic cloves. Just go ahead and peel them. Some potatoes, some cut up onion, some carrots. I find that baby carrots is the easiest. You're gonna want some beef broth. And for the seasoning, I want to introduce you to Midlife Crisis Spices' newest blends. This is in honor of the troops. Came up with some for all 6 branches. This one is Army Spice. Pretty simple because the Army's pretty simple. Gotta have some salt, pepper, and garlic inside of it. So nice and basic, works out great. It's all the seasoning we're gonna need for this lamb. And so, yeah. Also, you're going to need a special piece of equipment for this. You are going to need a Dutch oven. Now, before we start putting all this together, I'm just going to say I didn't show you how to cut up the different vegetables because I know you're an adult. I'm sure most people watching this show are adults, so you know how to cut up vegetables. So, just doing this simple. Now, the way we're going to do this is we're going to layer it. We're going to start off with putting all the garlic, followed by and the onions, a little bit of the carrots, gotta leave the potatoes. Then you're gonna go ahead, put on your lamb, get all that nice protein on there, and we're gonna do a layer of seasoning. Now, flip it over. Do the exact same thing. Then you're going to finish covering the rest up with the vegetables. Flipping it around the meat best we can. Topping it off with the taters. And to finish all off, I'm gonna go ahead and add in our beef broth. Don't pour it in from the top because you don't want to lose the seasoning from on top. You don't want that to wash away, so we're gonna pour it on the side. Finish this off with some more seasoning. Now, toss the lid on. This puppy is going to go into the oven. Now that it's cooled off, let's try a bit. Nice and tender. Quite yummy. Honestly, it really doesn't even taste that much like lamb. It tastes a bit more like beef. Not sure if that's the seasonings or what, but it's really good. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to go to midlifecrisisspices.com. Check out our different spice lineup over there. And also, I don't think at the time of the posting of this video that the new military themed spices will be out, but they will be up soon. So go ahead and check us out, and I will see you next time.